Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So, class 8, today we are going to start in your new topic. So, chapter number 7 program. First, we will start to membership operators. So, let's start this topic, students. So class 8, today we are going to start your program number first. Program number first is you're writing a program to print the first 10 natural numbers from 0 to 9. So first of all you will open your IDLE editor window, then start your new page. So program is your I equal 0 while I less than 10. Print I, then I equal I plus 1. So initial value you will add this plus 1. So you will after save your this program and see this output, press F5 key to run the program. So output so your program output is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So your output is coming after save your program. So this is your 10 natural numbers. Print the first 10 natural numbers. So next is your description point, student, of the above programs. So first the initial value is 0, you will start. Then the while statement tests the condition and creates a loop. Then the print statement prints the value of I equals 0. Then the value of I is incremented by 1. I equal I plus 1. 0 plus 1 equal 1. Then next the loop will continue till the value of I becomes less than 10, and the print statement will print the value of I at each repetition that is incremented by I 1. I equal I plus 1. Then next program number 2, students, writing a program to print 10 natural numbers in the reverse orders from 10 to 1. So first of all open your new program, new page. You will write this program I equal 10 while I greater than 0. Then print I equal I minus 1. So you will see after save this program and run this F5 key with the help of a key. Then after you will see this output. Reverse order will be coming in your counting in your output 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so this is your reverse order of this program of print 10 natural numbers. The description points of this program, student, the initial value is already given 10. We will took this value 10. Where next the while statement tests the conditions and create a loop. The print statement print the value of I equal 10. The value of I is decremented by 1. I equal I minus 1. Then 10 minus 1 equal 9. So the loop will continue till the value of I so becomes greater than 0, and the print statement will print the value of I at each repetition that is decremented by 1. I equal I minus 1. So this is the description point of this program. The next, student, program number 3, writing a program to print a name 5 times. So you will write this program, new page, name equal str input. So enter your name. Then I equal 0 while I less than 5. Then print hello name. I equal I plus 1. Now next, after you will save this program, now you will see this output. Output is coming. Enter your name. You will write your name. So Imran Siddiqui already written this output. Then hello Imran Siddiqui. Now 5 times will be run in this program. So description, you will see this of this program. The above program, the variable name stored the text string input by the user. The initial value is 0. The while statement tests the condition and creates a loop. So the print statement prints the value stored in the variable name with the message. The loop will continue, and at each repetition the value of the variable is printed till the condition satisfy less than 2 5. Then student, program number 3, you will see writing a program to print the table of a number input by the user. So this program, n equal int input, enter a number, then I equal 1 while I less than equal 10. Then print n, you will write put this into and equal sign. Okay, so I equal I plus 1. So after you will see this output, the output is a enter a number, so it's a any type. You will write this number 2 equal you will write this you will see this output of table of 2 last till 2 times 20 you will run in this program. Next, description point of this our program. So in the above program, the variable and store the integer value input by the user. The value of I is 1. The while statement tests the condition and creates a loop. In the next step, the value of n and I is multiplied, n equal to I equal 1, 2 into 1, and the print statement prints the result. The loop will be continuous multiplication of n and I is repetition. 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, so till 2 into 10 and it will 1 I, so till 10 will get printed. The next student, this topic using for loop. So for statement help us to create a loop given a number of times. When using the for loop, we have to define the initial value, final value and step value along with their loop body. The syntax of using for loop is as follows. So syntax is your for variable in sequence, loop body, then or for variable in range, initial value, final value, step value, loop body. Then here in keyword is a membership operator and range keyword is a function used with the for loop. Before we proceed further, let us first understand the concept of membership operators and the range function. So let's start the student membership operator. So the membership operator help us to control the working of a loop. There are two main membership operator used in Python and not in operators. Okay, so this operator purpose and syntax examples given. The first in in. So this operator is used to check if a given value exists in a sequence or not, and returns a true or false value based on the test result. So you will write the syntax value in sequence, and after example print 20, 10, 20, 30. So output is true. Then next operator name is not in. So this operator works opposite to the in operator, and if it checks if a given value does not exist in a sequence and returns a true or false value. Okay, so syntax is your value not in sequence. So you will write this example print 50 not in 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so output is your true. So this is your membership operator. So class 8 you will revise this all this topic. In previous topic you will revise and do practical. All this question and program you will do in your Python language. Okay, you will write in the software and do practice all this point.